For our listeners to begin with, why don't you share a little bit about your experience when you were 9 years old and that what brought you into sound medicine?
I would love to. So I had the great fortune of having an extremely progressive mother who had brought both my sister and I into a meditation practice at a very young age. And she had gotten into it because she had developed a thyroid condition, and her physician just said, "Hey, I think this is stress induced and meditation would help." And her thyroid condition was reversed in 6 months. And so she immediately figured that if this was good for her, what could this do for her children? And so we were introduced to a mantra meditation practice, which just simply means that you're given a sound with no meaning, and you repeat that sound silently in your mind, and it has profound impacts on your nervous system and on your body as a whole, as we now know from all the studies in mantra meditation. But because of this, I developed a really different and unique lifelong relationship with sound, because sound was no longer something that I just used, for communication, but sound also had this silent property that helped you to still your mind. And so sound to me was a tool for my own inner potential. It was a tool for reducing stress. It was a tool that had an impact on my body. So from a very, very, very young age, I looked at sound as something that you could do on purpose to affect your life. And then once I became a neurologist, because mantra meditation was such a huge part of my life, it immediately started to become a part of my life as a practitioner. So my entire relationship with sound was not casual. And I think most of us have a very casual relationship with sound, meaning we just use it to talk to people, we use it for entertainment, but we don't do it in a purposeful way for our own personal use for transformation.